The Boulos Company, well, first of all, we've been around since 1920, and we're probably one of the oldest electrical contractors in the northern New England area. And mainly we do large commercial institutional work, and we're also very involved in infrastructure for the utilities. We do a lot of substation work, power plants, and that type of work. Although hospitals and civic centers, that type, represent a large part of our business also. We run between 220 and 300 electricians most of the time. We've been, we were recognized as having over 1 million man-hours without a lost time incident, which is, pretty remarkable that a company of our size could achieve this. My safety director, Mike McCarron, his first reporting duties is to me. There's no layers in between. If there's an incident on a job site, the first call Mike makes is to me. And I think it's the responsibility of the owner and the president of the company to take the full responsibility. I don't want any incident to get lost in the bureaucracy coming up through. I want to know exactly what happened and when it happened and how I can rectify it.
I pretty much have an open book for anything I need from upper management. If it's something on the job that's needed, I can just go out and get it and make sure the crews are properly taken care of. Our experience modifier rating right now is 0.66, which is pretty low. The lowest it's been in over 12 years. In this day and age, that's considered very, very good.
Safety is number one. Safety is the first thing that we talk about in the morning. When we have multiple tailboards during the day, if we change a scope change is what we're doing, if we're stopping and we're moving on to a different job task, we'll stop as a group. The foreman will take the people together, and as a group they will go over the hazards that could be associated with that.
We have people on site right now that have never been on a construction job, and the questions that are being asked are great. They just don't know. The older guys are taking good care of them out there, and it's good to see, because they're the next generation. It's my responsibility that every man on the site goes home to his family every night with all his fingers, all his toes, all his eyes. That is job one.
You don't save on labor by cutting corners on safety.